One of the questions we get on the website is, how do you install a spring rubber into one of the springs? Spring rubbers come round like a donut. They're not cut. And in order to get them in the spring, we have to cut them so we can spread them open and insert them in between the coils. So basically, you can cut them by hand, or to be on the safe side, if you want to slip them into a vise, just squeeze them a little bit, take a hacksaw, and as straight as you can, go across the rubber. And cut down through to cut it basically in half. Now you can open it up. You take your spring, and generally when you put them in the middle of the spring, you just spread it open, give it a squeeze, and it's installed. It's loose in the spring now, but once the spring's in the car and has some load on it, it'll compress down and hold it in. You can run the spring in the middle of the coils, or down towards the bottom, or up at the top. Depending on where you put it will engage the spring rubber to come in a little sooner or a little later. It's that simple.